3, 2, 1, roll them. Hey guys, so we're just continuing our nature walk out in the woods. We're at the provincial park today. You can still see the sunshine beaming through the trees. Endless nature here. Different people use the park for recreation, for biking, walking, running, different stuff. So it can get a little bit busy in the summertime. But yeah, very nice trees. The trees there, the different fall colors. You can see the different tones. All the reds and the browns. There, you can still see the sun. Sun is shining. Still really warm today. We're just heading towards the creek. There, just around the bend. So there's a little bit of a view. You can see the waterfall. A little bit busier on this side of the park. This is more towards the main entrance of the park, so more people are using this area. But nice to see all the different colors. Just ahead you can see, there's a little creek up ahead. So you can see just the water there. See the sunshine up there. Lots of leaves, a little bit windy today. You can see the leaves, all the leaves on the ground. Just coming up to the creek here. Just where that tall tree is. It's nice to come here different parts of the year and see the summer months, winter months, the spring months. There's the creek here, very beautiful place. Lots of different wildlife over here. There's the creek there. Then the creek continues over on this side. There's a little beach area. Lots of people come here in the summertime, bring a cooler, bring their dogs, and just hang out. Very beautiful place, guys. If you like this video, guys, hit the subscription. Check out more videos, guys. I'll be posting more videos throughout the week. Baby Bear Champ out. Peace.